Bosses, welcome back to my channel. So it's Natalie here for another video, and as you guys can tell from the title, today I'm addressing those who already have a business. So after my last video, have you guys seen my last video? If not, I'll link it down below. I was talking about those who are having a hard time making sales and what to do. And so I got over 68 comments, you guys, on that last video from people who are having a hard time making sales. You guys, I was like, I didn't think it was gonna be this many people. Ooh, look at my eyebrows looking crazy. So I didn't think it was gonna be that many people, you guys, who are having a hard time. So I was kind of like shooketh by that. So in today's video, if you saw by the title, we'll be talking about why your boutique is not making any money. Are y'all ready for this talk? Now, as you have a boutique, I want you to listen for the one that you think might apply to you. You know for yourself, everybody is different, your reasons are different, but I know that if you're someone who's having a hard time making sales, one of these reasons is why. So listen out for the reason and listen out for what I tell you to kind of give you some tips on fixing that problem, honey. Reason number one why your boutique is not making any sales. The first reason is branding. Now, branding is a big word. Some of us think that branding means like our color scheme, the colors we choose, the way that we do our website. Absolutely not. Branding is how does the public, the outside public, see your business or your brand. When you think about branding, my thing that I first think of is my TA, or my target audience. How am I branding my business so that it appeals to my target customer? How am I shaping my overall business so that my target customer feels compelled to come shop at my store? Who should be feeling compelled to come shop at your store? You know what I'm saying? So you want to think about who is your target audience, your TA. Who is the person that you are targeting through your marketing, through your inventory, through your website, through everything, okay? Through everything that you put out, it should be towards one specific person in mind. Is it plus size women? Is it millennials? Is it children? Is it single moms who wants to shop for their children? Is it older people? Is it trendy people? Is it men? You know what I'm saying? Is it young adults? So you should have a person in mind that you want to come shop at your store, and everything you put out should be towards that person. Stop what you're doing, go define that, and then do everything from that person's viewpoint. Okay, that's number one. Number two is your website. Again, everything might not apply to everybody, but there's something that applies to someone. So let me tell you what makes up a great website. Okay, great visuals, nothing on there is blurry. I immediately have a way to shop, meaning if I go on your homepage, there should be shop now, shop now, shop now all over that first page, so that as a customer, I don't have to look for a way to shop with you. I don't have to look for a way to give you my money. Also, if you have a picture on your home page, that picture should only be of your product. And if it's a picture of your product, it needs to be clickable. Meaning, if I go to your website, www.truecostyles.com, and I look and see a bomb picture and my idea is, ooh, I want to get that specifically. That's the whole purpose of having pictures, you know what I'm saying? So people feel like they want to buy that thing. I should be able to click on it and immediately go in your website to where I can purchase that item. Okay, so a lot of you are saying I'm not getting sales, I'm getting traffic but not sales. Are you doing things that are making your customers convert to your audience, convert to customers? Okay, are your pictures clickable? Do you have shop now? Do you have call to action items all over your website, all over your home page? That's the first thing. But the next thing this is like number three, your pictures. Pictures are so important, you guys. I cannot stress how important pictures are. Now, it is possible to have good pictures and still not make sales, so keep listening. However, for those of you who are using a bunch of stock photos, who are having pictures in the dark, bad lighting, blurry, you need to take those off your site. You need to take those off of your site. Like, that's not going to help you convert. I'm not saying it's impossible to convert with stock photos. I even have one or two on my site. However, you'd be better getting a camera by yourself having a self timer and taking your pictures of yourself. Like, that's even the better option. Some of you are afraid to be the face behind your brand. You don't want to be in the pictures. Okay, that's cool. Ask friends and family. Ask a coworker, ask a sister, an aunt, a niece, a neighbor, literally anybody. You want to ask somebody. If you have the means, hire a model, but also find free models. The models that I have in my website were either my friends or someone I had for free. Okay, because these free models, now I'm not saying that every model will or even should work for free, but some of them will. If they're new, they need a portfolio. Y'all excuse that. Now, how do you find free models? Literally, well, so let me give you 2 suggestions. For free models, you can do like hashtag Houston models or hashtag Toronto models on Instagram and find people that way. Or the way that I got my models for free is because I paid for a makeup artist. Okay, shout out to my makeup artist, Face Changer. I had a makeup artist who I hired, and the makeup artist had people, girls, who wanted to work with her. So the makeup artist had 2 people who really wanted to get their makeup done by her. So I paid for the makeup artist and they were able to get their makeup done for free. So be resourceful. So either pay or don't pay. It's really up to you. However, quality photos is a must, okay? It is a must. It's not optional. All right, number 4. So these next 2 deal with marketing. So the first way, y'all know I am an avid lover of email marketing, because that is how I made all my sales. Email marketing is like the key way for me to make sales at my boutique. Because think about it, you can either have social media marketing or email marketing. Those are like 2 main ways right now in this day and age. And when it comes to social media, unless you pay for ads, and right now we're not even talking about ads, okay? We're not talking about ads right now. So unless you pay for ads, it's really hard to get your product in front of your target audience on social media. Think about it, the algorithms are changing. Everybody can't even see your pictures these days. The way that they set it up so that you have to pay for ads in order for all of your audience to see your pictures. That's just how Instagram and Facebook works right now. So because of that, you want to get into email marketing. The reason is because everyone who signs up for your email list, they are interested in your business. Everyone on your social media probably could care less about your business. You have to fight for their attention. So social media is important. We're gonna talk about that in a second. But your email marketing, honey, okay, it's as if you have people who are beating your door down to buy from you, okay, because they're interested in your business. So email marketing is my favorite. There are a lot of ways to make sure that you set up effective email marketing. The subject line is probably it is the most important part of the email. Okay, if the subject line does not catch their eye, they're not going to open the email. So think about you. Do you open every single email? No, I only open the ones, or even consider to open those, who has a subject line that is catching my attention. So how is your subject line catching their attention? Is it? Make sure it's captivating. And so that's number 1. And then number 2 is having a well put together email. Make sure you're putting less words, okay, more pictures, and a call to action, a way for someone to shop with you. As people, we like to do things quick in this day and age. As a consumer, from a customer standpoint, I want to do things quick. If I see something I like, I want to click to it so I can know the price and I can see more details about that product. A little free plug, for email marketing, I use MailChimp. MailChimp has changed over these months. They've been changing a lot, but I still love them. Next one is social media. So everything that we've said so far will also come into play with your social media. Number 1, are the pictures good quality? Number 2, is there somebody in your clothing on those pictures? Is it a model? Is it you? When I'm scrolling on my Instagram, if I see a stock photo, more than likely I'm gonna keep on scrolling. You're trying to get people's attention. You want to, when you're on your social media, you should be posting lifestyle type pictures that look normal, pictures that look like you're not trying to sell somebody something. Okay, people don't get on social media to buy. Now, as a producer, yes, we're on there to sell. However, we need to be more strategic with it. People are not there to buy. So if you're on there just trying to sell something, people are going to scroll past your product. So you need to be putting like lifestyle type pictures out there on social media, and you cannot make a stock photo into a lifestyle type picture because it's a stock photo. Even if you have a customer who has bought something, tell them to send you pictures of them in the product. Boom, that's a lifestyle photo. So it's time to get creative, you guys, and hopefully I'm not like being too harsh. I know that I'm not. I'm just telling y'all, you guys want help, this is it, okay? I'm giving y'all the facts, okay? So social media, you should be posting lifestyle type photos really only. Every now and then you can post a normal type of picture, but to stand out, okay, until you actually establish your brand, until people are actually looking for you to buy something, when we're just because you're probably thinking, well, so-and-so doesn't do lifestyle type photos. Well, so-and-so is already established. So-and-so already has an established brand on social media. People are going to them to shop. Right now, we're brand new. You're brand new. People need to know to come to you to shop. So until they know that, you need to have captivating photos to reel them in. Because if I'm scrolling and I see somebody walking along the beach with a cute dress on, I'm like, oh, where should I get that from? I'm gonna click on the picture. When I see that you tagged yourself or you tagged where I can purchase that dress at on your website, okay, now I'm gonna follow you because that's cute. I'm gonna click on it, I'm gonna go to your website, and I'm gonna look for a discount and try to buy it. That's the process, you guys. And then the last one is consistency. Are you consistently posting on your website? Are you consistently posting on social media? And are you consistently sending out emails? A lot of you telling me, well, I've been doing emails, I've been posting on social media. How consistent have you been? Consistency literally is key. People are looking for your consistency, okay? So the goal here is that you guys should be reaching new people. You've already reached and sold to your friends and family. Now it's time to reach new people, you guys. So my prayer is that you guys actually take these things into consideration. Do the work, you guys, and when you do the work, you will see the results. Y'all, I promise you. So because of this, people are still reaching out to me asking like, okay, this is cute and all, but I need more information. Y'all been reaching out to me. So you guys, drum roll please. I've actually created a exclusive community called Fearless Boss 101. If you don't have a business yet, this is not really for you because I'm not going to be teaching you how to open your business. This is more so for those who already have a business, those who already either own a boutique or e-commerce store, a lash store, a hair store, whatever type of something that you're doing for something, either a product or a service. This is for you. So it is an exclusive community. It is a membership site, okay, where every single month I'm going to be taking these topics and expanding on them. This is for those who actually want a larger brand. So I have sat down, you guys, and I was like, God, what can I do for these people who need something more than just me, like this 20-minute, 30-minute, you know, YouTube video? So I have created a exclusive community of current entrepreneurs who are looking to expand what they're already doing. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to turn YouTube into another stream of income. This is really for those who want additional streams of income. Right now I have a total of 6 streams of income. I want to teach you guys the steps on how to make custom apparel, how to really brand yourself to a target audience, how to really sit down and perfect your email marketing so that emails equals sales. Anytime you send out an email, it should equal a sale. Teaching you guys how to make digital resources for your audience, how to turn your boutique into a brand. So y'all stay tuned. It'll be ready on Sunday, and I will not open it up again until 2020. Can y'all believe it's almost end of the year? Join us, honey, over here at the Fearless Boss 101 membership. I'm so excited, you guys. It's not open yet. It'll be open on Sunday, but you guys need to set your clocks at 3 p.m. So if you guys are interested, if you're ready to take it to the next level, then do not miss out on this opportunity. Until then, thank you guys for watching this video. If you have not already, hit the subscribe button down below and join the family of bosses, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.